planes to catch, and bills to pay. They left to walk while I was away, and he was talking for I knew it, and as he grew, said, I'm gonna be like you, Dad. You know I'm gonna be like you. Well, the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. Doesn't come home and I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. Sunshine tennis the other day. Thanks for the ball, come on, let's play. You teach me to throw, said not today. Got a lot to do, said that's okay. And he walked away, and his smile never dimmed. Said I'm gonna be like him. You know I'm gonna be like him. Well, the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue with the man in the moon. When you coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. College just the other day, so much like a man I just had to say. Then the crowd of you in your circle while shook his head and he said with a smile, what I really like that is to borrow a car keys. See the letter, can I have them please? And I sent a chill and a single little boy blue man. I'll really come home. I don't know when we'll get together. We'll get together. Since the tide, sun moved away. Called my mother just the other day. Said I'd like to see you if you don't mind. He said I'd love to, Dad, if I could find the time. You see the new job's a hassle and the kids the blue. It's been sure nice talking to you, Dad. It's been sure nice talking to you. And as he hung the phone, it occurred to me, he'd be grown up just like me. My boy was just like